Hi, everyone. Over the past few weeks, so many of you have reached out to us as you put together your reopening plans. It was great to hear from everybody. Since the 21-22 school year is a free meal year for all students, we've had a lot of questions about how to use identiMetrics to tally student meals instead of using a clicker or another form of manual tallying. I thought it would be super helpful to share ideas with districts using identiMetrics to help create successful solutions. So here's the most important thing to remember. identiMetrics is separate from your point of service. It works seamlessly with your point of service. So sometimes it's really hard to tell that it's a separate application, but it is. So even if you're not using your point of service, identiMetrics can still provide the accurate and auditable information you need. Here are 3 ideas that districts like yours are using during this upcoming universal free meal year. One idea is use identiMetrics with your point of service like normal, just without the money transactions. A second idea is pack up your point of service and use identiMetrics log file for your meal counts. And a third idea is to pack up your POS and use identiMetrics with a Google Sheet as your receiving application. Give us a call if you want to explore your options. We're here to give you all the details. We're committed to your success. And as always, we're here to help. Hope to hear from you.